Bismillah. Good day, guys. Alright, this is a continuation from the last video, which is part 4, where I was the rig won't boot up, won't start. So I was experimenting. It turns out the splitter cables, the power splitter cables, was faulty. So I changed it. Fortunately, I have a lot of spare. I bought a lot of them, so I changed it, and it turns out the cable was faulty. So I changed it very numerous times, and I found out that four splitter cables, four power splitter cables was faulty. Um, two of them, uh, two of them are faulty, power faulty, as I call them. There's nothing wrong with the physical itself, but it wouldn't turn up. The system wouldn't boot up, just like in the previous video. And the other two I found out is the physical itself is faulty. For example, what if you can see this? Yeah, cables has came out. So now um, I'm able to run 5 cards at the same time. Fortunately, um, I'm thankful, I'm grateful. I'm able to run 5 cards all together now. Oh, by the way, I'm using the PCIe splitter 1 to 4, 1x to 4x PCIe splitter. It turns out the BIOS, I had to change the PCIe support, most of them to auto. Um, Only one option of the PCIe support is only PCIe 2 and PCIe 3. The rest of the PCIe support options, I changed it to auto. So now I'm able to use the PCIe splitters, PCIe 1x to 4x splitters, and fortunately and thankfully I'm able to run 5 cards right now currently. At a later date I will try to put in more cards, as the deck is already full. As you can see, it's full. All the cards are running on 2 systems except for one. I don't know what to do with it in a currently, because it's 1070 and the power consumption is very high. I'm using a memory clock, no, the core clock at 125, and the memory clock is at 60625. The power limit is 114 watts, 75% power limit on the afterburner, MSI afterburner. So as you can see, it's full deck. I cannot put in more. At a later date I will be arranging arranging the cards to see. I'll try to rearranging the cards to see if I can put in more cards on the deck. Right now it's 1 2 3 4 5 Wi-Fi 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 cards, with the exception of one is not running. um, I'll be experimenting more late on experimenting more, try to put in more cards, as this system is only a 6 GPU limit, and I'm not sure about this one yet. So right now it's 5 connecting to the board, and I have a few more spares. This one is 560 RX 560, so it's not efficient enough, but I have 3 more. Another P106. This one, the fan is very loud. um, I would like to change the fans first, and if it's deemed necessary, I will clean it up first. In any case, I have another spare P106, zotac 1070 mini, um, and the other one that is not running is also 1070 mini. So the solution I was experimenting, the solution that I got was changing the BIOS settings, PCI support to auto, and I changed the power cable splitters. Luckily, fortunately, I have a spare of them, the power cable splitters, and now I'm able to run 5 cards in this system rather than 3 cards previously. So that's the update that I want to mention and record. So if you have any suggestions or improvements, let me know. Um, there's a short update for this experiment, or yeah, experiment for a second rig. So I hope you guys get beneficial info from this, and take care, guys.